This is a short installation video for Putco's Bumper Grille Insert on all 2021 and up Ford F150s. The tools you will need are as follows: a flat blade screwdriver, an 1/8" hex key, a 5/32 inch hex key, a 3/8 inch socket, and a 5/16 inch socket. You can remove the license plate bracket by using a 5/16 ratchet to remove the two screws holding the license plate on, but as you can see, our installer did not. You can then remove the license plate bracket by using a flat screwdriver or your fingers to depress the plastic clips on the rear. Begin assembling the grille insert by using the 1/8 inch hex key and the 3/8 inch ratchet to assemble the top bracket with the nut and the 3/4 inch bolt. You'll want to tighten both top brackets down all the way. Once both upper brackets are connected to the grille, grab the lower brackets as well as the 1-inch bolt and connect them very loosely. Next, we'll install the grille insert into the grille itself. Begin by inserting the lower bracket into the lower section. With the two lower brackets inserted, begin inserting the upper brackets. Having the bottom bracket loosely connected will help with inserting these top brackets. Once all the brackets are inserted into their respective places, ensure proper fitment by taking a step back. Then begin tightening the lower brackets with the 5/32 inch hex key. Make sure to tighten the other bracket as well. Once you have finished, installation is complete. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call or go online to putco.com.